Picture a ship that has been quietly cruising the warm waters of the Caribbean and Bahamas for over 2 decades, carrying happy travelers, sunburned shoulders, and the smell of fresh sea air. That ship is the Norwegian Sky, one of the more compact and casual vessels in the Norwegian Cruise Line family. She first set sail back in 1999, which makes her a seasoned veteran in cruising terms, and she got a solid refresh in 2019 to keep things looking sharp. With room for around 2,004 guests and a crew of about 899, the Sky strikes a nice balance. She is big enough to offer a real cruise ship experience, yet small enough that you are not walking a marathon just to get from your cabin to dinner. For travelers who want short, sunny getaways without the overwhelming scale of today's mega ships, the Sky has carved out a loyal following. She tends to attract a mix of first-time cruisers testing the waters, repeat Norwegian fans, and folks who simply want a quick escape from the daily grind. The vibe leans casual, laid-back, and tropical, which fits perfectly with the kinds of itineraries she runs. So let us take a closer look at what a sailing on the Norwegian Sky actually looks like, from the cabins to the buffet line and everything in between. Starting with the staterooms, the Sky offers the usual cruise lineup you would expect from Norwegian. There are interior cabins for budget-conscious travelers, oceanview rooms for those who want a window to the sea, balcony staterooms for a private slice of fresh air, and suites for guests who like to spread out and travel in style. Each tier offers a noticeable step up in space, comfort, and perks, so there is something for nearly every budget. The interior cabins are exactly what they sound like, cozy rooms with no windows that work great for travelers who plan to spend most of their time out exploring the ship and ports. They are an affordable way to get on board and still enjoy everything the ship has to offer. For solo cruisers or couples watching their wallets, these rooms get the job done without any drama. Oceanview rooms add that lovely picture window where you can watch the sunrise over the waves with your morning coffee. It is a small upgrade in price for a big upgrade in mood. Many cruisers say a real window changes the whole feel of a sailing, especially when you wake up to glittering blue water just a few feet away. Balcony cabins are where things start to feel really vacation-worthy. Having your own private outdoor space is one of those small luxuries that cruisers tend to fall in love with quickly. That said, it is fair to mention that some guests have pointed out the rooms, even with a balcony, can feel on the smaller side. The Sky is an older ship, and her staterooms reflect the design standards of her era rather than the roomy layouts of newer builds. Suites on board offer more space, upgraded furnishings, and access to additional perks that elevate the experience. Norwegian is known for taking very good care of suite guests across its fleet, with priority embarkation, dedicated service, and a few extra touches that make a real difference. For travelers celebrating a honeymoon, anniversary, or just splurging on themselves, a suite on the Sky is a sweet way to do it. Families and accessible travelers are also considered, with cabins designed to accommodate larger groups and guests with mobility needs. The smaller scale of the Sky actually works in favor of accessibility, since key spaces are not spread out across endless corridors. Inside, you can expect the standard cruise comforts like climate control, private bathrooms, ample storage for the size of the room, and televisions for downtime. It is not flashy, but it is functional and comfortable for a relaxed Caribbean sailing. Moving on to dining, this is where Norwegian Cruise Line really built its reputation, and the Sky carries that tradition forward. Norwegian pioneered what they call freestyle dining, which basically means you can eat when you want, where you want, and dress how you want. No rigid seating times, no assigned tables, no forced formal nights. For working-class travelers who want a vacation that actually feels like a vacation, that flexibility is a huge win. The ship features a main dining room experience that serves up classic cruise favorites with rotating menus, giving you something different to try each evening. There is also a casual buffet venue where you can grab a quick bite at almost any hour, which is perfect for those days you roll back on board sunburned and starving after a port stop. Pizza, sandwiches, salads, hot entrees, desserts, you name it. For guests who want to step things up, the Sky offers specialty restaurants that focus on specific cuisines and themed experiences. These come with a cover charge or are included depending on your booking package, and they often become the highlight meals of the cruise. Think sizzling steaks, fresh seafood, Italian classics, and other crowd pleasers that make for a memorable evening out. Bars and lounges are scattered throughout the ship, each with its own personality. You can find a quiet spot for a glass of wine before dinner, a livelier bar with live music in the evening, and a pool bar where the frozen drinks flow freely under the sun. Norwegian also offers beverage packages that many guests find good value, especially if you plan on enjoying a few cocktails a day. One of the nice things about the Sky's dining scene is that even with her smaller size, there is enough variety to keep meals interesting across a short cruise. You will not get bored eating the same thing every night, and the casual atmosphere means dinner never feels like a chore. Whether you are in a swimsuit cover-up or a nice shirt, you will fit right in. Up on the sun decks, the Sky delivers the kind of laid-back outdoor space that makes a tropical cruise feel just right. The main pool area is the heart of the action during sea days, with lounge chairs, splashing kids, the steel drum sound of island music, and the smell of sunscreen drifting through the air. It is exactly the kind of scene most folks daydream about when booking a Caribbean getaway. There are whirlpools positioned around the pool deck for guests who want to soak and people watch. These tend to be especially popular at sunset, when the sky lights up in pinks and oranges and there is no better seat in the house. Pool bars keep the drinks flowing, and casual food spots make it easy to graze your way through a sea day without ever changing out of your swimsuit. For travelers who want a quieter experience away from the family pool action, there are calmer corners of the sun deck where you can stretch out with a book. The Sky may not have the elaborate adults-only retreats found on some of the newer megaships, but there are spots where you can find peace and quiet if you look for them. Early mornings are a great time to claim a prime lounger before the deck fills up. The pool deck setup on the Sky is more old-school cruising than modern resort. You will not find a massive water park, multi-story slides, or splash zones the size of football fields. What you get instead is a comfortable, sun-soaked space that feels relaxed and approachable, perfect for guests who just want to soak up some rays without all the bells and whistles. When it comes to onboard activities, the Sky keeps things lively without overwhelming you with options. There is a fitness center for guests who want to keep up with workouts at sea, complete with cardio machines, weights, and space for some basic strength training. Working out while watching the ocean roll by is one of those underrated cruise pleasures. Sports facilities and open deck spaces give guests room to move around, get some fresh air, and enjoy casual recreation. Walking the deck in the morning before the sun gets too hot has become a tradition among many cruisers, and the Sky lends itself well to that ritual. It is a smaller ship, but there is still plenty of space to stay active. In the evenings, the entertainment program comes alive with shows, live music, and themed events. Norwegian is known for putting on production shows with talented performers, and the Sky carries that tradition with energy and style. From musical reviews to comedy acts and tribute performances, there is usually something on each night to wind down with after dinner. The casino is another classic onboard option, drawing guests who want to try their luck at slots and table games. It is a popular gathering spot in the evening with the kind of buzzing energy that makes you feel like you are in a small floating Las Vegas. Even non-gamblers often pass through just to soak in the atmosphere. Bars and lounges host live music acts throughout the evening, ranging from acoustic guitar players to dance bands and piano lounges. You can hop from one venue to the next, sampling different vibes and drinks, and easily fill an evening without ever feeling bored. For a ship of her size, the Sky punches above her weight when it comes to nighttime entertainment. Daytime activities lean toward the social and casual, with trivia contests, dance classes, deck games, and various themed gatherings throughout the cruise. These activities tend to be a great way to meet other cruisers and find your tribe on board. Even introverts can find their groove with quieter options like reading nooks and observation areas. The spa and wellness offerings on the Sky give guests a chance to recharge and pamper themselves after a busy day in port. The spa offers a range of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and other indulgent services designed to leave you feeling like a brand new human. Booking a treatment on a sea day is one of the great cruise indulgences. Beyond hands-on treatments, you can typically expect sauna and steam facilities, along with thermal areas that invite you to relax in warmth and quiet. These spaces are perfect for unwinding sore muscles after a long shore excursion or just escaping the bustle of the pool deck for an hour. There is something deeply soothing about steam and silence while at sea. Fitness classes round out the wellness side with options that may include yoga, stretching, and group cardio sessions. These classes are great for guests who want to stay active without the awkwardness of working out alone at the gym. A morning yoga class with the gentle rocking of the ship beneath you is a memorable way to start the day. The salon is also available for guests who want to freshen up with a haircut, blowout, or other beauty service before a special dinner or evening event. It is a nice touch for travelers who want to feel their best while celebrating something on board. Overall, the wellness offerings are well suited for a casual, easygoing ship like the Sky. Families sailing on the Norwegian Sky will be pleased to know there are dedicated programs for kids and teens, designed to give younger cruisers a vacation of their own while parents get a little breathing room. Norwegian's youth programs across the fleet are known for being well organized, with age-appropriate activities, supervised playtime, and themed events that keep kids engaged. Younger children typically have access to crafts, games, themed parties, and supervised activities that let them make new friends quickly. Cruise ship kids clubs are kind of magic that way, since kids who were shy on day 1 are often running off to find their buddies by day 3. Parents often say the youth programs are what turn cruising into their favorite kind of family vacation. Teens have their own hangout vibe with activities geared toward their age group, giving them a sense of independence while still being on a safe ship. The smaller size of the Sky means parents can feel comfortable letting older kids roam between activities. For families looking for a short, affordable Caribbean or Bahamas getaway, the Sky offers a reliable mix of kid-friendly fun and grown-up relaxation. The Norwegian Sky is best known for short, sunny itineraries that focus on the Caribbean and the Bahamas. These quick getaways are perfect for travelers who do not have the time or budget for a long sailing but still want to feel like they really got away. 3- and 4-night runs to tropical destinations have long been the Sky's bread and butter. Caribbean and Bahamian ports offer a classic mix of beach days, water adventures, and laid-back island culture. Guests can expect to find excursions ranging from snorkeling and diving in clear blue waters to swimming with marine life, exploring colonial old towns, and tasting local food and rum. There is truly something for every kind of traveler. For the adventurous, water sports like jet skiing, parasailing, and catamaran tour give you a thrilling way to experience the islands. Snorkeling trips are usually a top-rated highlight with vibrant fish and coral that feel like a scene from a nature documentary. Even first-timers tend to come back grinning ear to ear. History buffs and culture lovers can enjoy walking tour, museum visits, and excursions that dive into the rich heritage of each port. From colonial forts to local markets, there is always something interesting to learn. And of course, there are always the simple pleasures like spending a few hours on a postcard-perfect beach with a fruity drink in hand. For travelers who prefer to stay on board during port days, the ship becomes wonderfully quiet and you can enjoy the pools and amenities with minimal crowds. That is one of the underrated benefits of cruising, the freedom to choose your own adventure each day. Whether you are a port hopper or a ship lover, the Sky accommodates both styles nicely. Looking at the Norwegian Sky as a whole, she is a ship with real personality and a clear sense of who she is. Her strengths lie in her casual atmosphere, flexible dining, friendly crew, and the value she offers for short Caribbean and Bahamas getaways. For travelers who want a no-stress, all-fun escape without breaking the bank, she delivers reliably. The freestyle dining concept continues to be a huge plus, especially for working-class travelers who want their vacation to feel like a vacation rather than a structured event. Being able to roll up to dinner whenever you want, in whatever you want, is a small freedom that adds up to a much more relaxed experience. The variety of entertainment options also keeps evenings interesting. On the weaker side, the Sky is showing her age in places. While the 2019 refurbishment helped freshen things up, she does not offer the splashy water park features, sky-high observation decks, or futuristic tech of the newest mega ships. The staterooms, as some guests have noted, can feel a bit tight, even with a balcony. Travelers who expect cutting-edge bells and whistles may want to set their expectations accordingly. That said, the Sky's smaller size is also one of her best qualities. You get to know the ship quickly, you do not waste time navigating endless corridors, and the overall feel is friendlier and more intimate than on the giant floating cities. For many cruisers, that trade-off is well worth it. What really helps the Sky stand out is the niche she serves so well. Short tropical cruises at an accessible price point are a sweet spot in the market, and she has been a reliable choice in that category for years. For first-time cruisers, she is a low-risk way to test out the cruising lifestyle without committing to a week or more at sea. She also stands out for offering the classic Norwegian freestyle experience on a more intimate scale. Casual cruisers who feel overwhelmed by the size of newer ships often find the Sky to be a refreshing alternative. Her unique value comes from being a quick, easy, sun-soaked escape that does not try to be everything to everyone, and that focus is part of her charm. For travelers interested in group bookings, the Sky has the kind of versatile spaces that work well for smaller gatherings, milestone celebrations, and group cruises. Whether it is a family reunion, a retirement celebration, or a friend's getaway, the ship offers lounges and gathering areas that can host private moments alongside the regular cruise fun. The crew is generally great at helping coordinate special occasions on board. Speaking of the crew, that is one of the most consistent highlights guests rave about. The service staff on Norwegian ships tend to be warm, attentive, and quick with a smile, and the Sky is no exception. From bartenders who remember your drink order to cabin stewards who turn your towels into adorable animal shapes, those small personal touches add up to a vacation that feels genuinely welcoming. Guests often share stories of memorable moments, like a waiter celebrating a birthday with an impromptu song, or a crew member going out of their way to help with a special request. Those are the kinds of experiences that turn a good cruise into a great one, and the kind that bring guests back to Norwegian year after year. The Sky may not be the newest or flashiest ship at sea, but she has heart, and that counts for a lot. For travelers who want a quick tropical escape, a casual atmosphere, flexible dining, and friendly service without the price tag of a mega ship sailing, the Norwegian Sky remains a solid choice. She is the kind of ship you can recommend to a friend who has never cruised before, knowing they will come back with sun-kissed skin, a few new stories, and probably the urge to book another sailing very soon.